Assalamu alaikum, grade one, and good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to your social studies class. I'm your ma'am Omama, and in today's class, we will be starting with a new topic that is basically we will be talking about the things change, right? That how were things before and how they are now. Okay, so tell me how many of you love collecting previous things or old things? Yes. How many of you have this habit of collecting old coins, stones, or everything which is old storybooks or anything like that? Yes. Raise your hands. How many of you have this habit of collecting old things? Okay, so let's start with Vase. Yes, Vase. Which the thing you do you collect? You love collecting coins. Okay, so you do have what? You have Pakistani currencies, previous notes. Okay. What else? The coins, whichever was used. Okay, excellent. Let's listen to Amna. Yes, Amna, which thing do you like to collect? You love reading books, so you keep on collecting old books. Okay, this is a very good habit. Okay, class. See, in our class, we have two students who have a good connection with the past, you can say, or who love to collect things from the past, right? So okay, now you have tell me that which thing do you want to collect, but you haven't tell me that why do you like to collect this? Yes. Okay, very well done. So see, Amna said that her grandmother used to tell her stories, and that is why she wants to read those stories by herself because she wants to make a connection with the past, right? So that is why she keeps on collecting the storybooks which are old, and then she has a book rack. Okay, that's great. So see, similarly, a lot of people have this habit that they keep on using old things, like maybe some of you from your family, they have this old radio which is being placed as a decoration piece in their home, and previously they used that radio for listening to the news. There are a lot of channels, FM radio and 1 2 and a lot of that, right? So they keep on listening news from there, they keep on listening old songs. We have great singers in Pakistan, they keep on listing them, but now it has just placed in the house at one corner as a decoration piece. So tell me how many of you have watched the old television? Yes, raise your hands. The old style television. Yes, nobody. Okay, it's okay. I'm going to share the screen with you and I'll show you everything. Okay, so don't worry. Just show me a thumbs up if my screen is visible to you or not. Okay, is it visible? Okay, this is the picture of old style television. Usually this type of televisions were in people home, and what was the scenario that one family, a family which would be rich, or if a member of that family is out of town in a city or maybe in a foreign country, so they brought this television for the family and the whole village. What happens that on the time of some drama, like usually at that time we have one the drama on PTV channel at 8 p.m. My mother used to tell me these stories. So the whole village basically collects in that family's house and they together watch that televisions because they were family series, right? So but not everybody have these facilities, right? So this was one of the form of television that people had at that time. Now let me show you the next picture. Now, this is another picture from the past, another form of television. This is already very cute, but now you cannot bear this. See, now we have big LEDs, LCDs that we have placed in our lounge. People have placed separate LEDs and LCDs in their rooms as well. Everybody sits in their own room and they have their time by or themselves, right? But previously, what happens that this small screen was basically shared by a huge number of people and they together watch the things. Can you see that these small buttons? Let me zoom it a bit. These two buttons, these are like the capacitor, right? Like the fan, or it can be something that in previous time there was this telephones which were being placed after some distance, in which there was this dial. You just put your finger in one digit, then you turn it like this and then it goes back. Then you, in order to dial the second number, you will put your finger over there, then you will rotate the dial, and then it will turn back. So similarly, this dial would also be like, it is like more of now we have microwaves of this style, so you can compare it with that as well. And you just tune the channel, and then the channel is visible to you. At that time, basically, we don't have a lot of channels, and the dish TVs and films and all these things were introduced later on. In order to watch the films, people visits theaters, they visit cinemas, and the only channel mostly in Pakistan, if we talk about it, was PTV channel, PTV news, which people, a lot of people, they see and they spend their time with that, right? Now I'm going to show you the old style radio as well. So this is one of the picture of old style radios that we have in Pakistan, or that we have around the world. So this was the most old form. Then we have a bit a new version, that this one, this, and you know what, if I talk about my house, we do have this version of this one, the one in black. We had this type of radio in our home, and my father used to listen to old songs and different news on this, but now it is just placed in the storeroom and nobody uses it, right? So maybe some of you also have your parents or your grandparents that belong to anybody. So these were the old type of things that we had, but now due to the advancement, now you do not rely on a radio, you do not even rely on a television. What you do is that if you want to listen to anything, if you want to watch anything, you can just simply search it on the YouTube, and you can have the online. It saves your time because there are no ads in it, there are no commercials in it, right? So everybody now sits in their own room and they spend their own time. Now this is another picture of showing the old um, radios, right? This picture maybe belongs to a shop where a lot of a huge bundle of old radios and televisions have been placed. And can you see that there are different forms of it, right? So in our home there was this one sandwich maker, which was of older version, which belongs to my grandmother, and it was really cute still. And we still use it, right? We still have that, and it makes very delicious sandwiches. It's a bit older version, and it is very much different from the version that we have nowadays, right? The sandwich maker, the toast maker. So if I get a chance, if I find it, I'll show you that as well. So there are the older versions of everything, right? We have older versions of ACs, we have older versions of televisions, we have older versions of radios, we have older versions of mobile phones. So if we talk particularly about television, it was this much like huge, and a fat television we have. Then it started to become thin, slim, 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 and now the LEDs or LCDs that are in our houses, they are very slim, right? Very slim, and they have big screens and they have HD preview. So all of these things, all of these are the advancements that we have through the time. So the topic, the main thing that, or the main idea behind this whole discussion is that things keep on changing with the passage of time, right? Everything is changing. Whichever we have in previous times, we don't have it right now. So what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to um, share anything. Let's see, you are supposed to share with me that, do you remember how you celebrated your last birthday? Yes, share it with me one by one. How many of you remember that, how did you celebrated your last birthday? Okay, let's start with Sarah. Yes, Sarah. Okay, it was summer last night, last year. Okay, then, so we had a party in the garden. Okay, that's great. So and let's ask Vase. Yes, Vase, do you remember how did you celebrate your last birthday? Okay, where did you went? Okay, that's great. Okay, let's ask. Yes, Elise, how did you celebrate your last birthday? So see, this was now why I'm asking, are the story that you are basically telling me about your birthday. This is something which belongs to past, right? Which has already happened in the previous time. It's not happening in right now. So the things which has already happened or which belongs to the previous time, we call that as past, right? We call it as past. Similarly, the things that I have shown you, the older versions of televisions, radios, and other things, they also belongs to past time. Why? Because that has already passed, that has already gone, that time has already gone. So whatever the details, whatever the story, whatever the thing that we discuss that does not belong to the current time period, we will include it in the past time, right? So the things that we have discussed, now I'm going to share the another screen with you. This picture depicts a beautiful transition from past to the present. um, Show me a thumbs up. Is it visible? Okay, great. So see, it has a huge number of things. Previously, we have this type of mobile phone, which I was talking, this the dial in which you put a finger, then you turn it, then it goes back, then again, then it goes back. We still have this type of phone in our colony. Okay. Then on the other side, look, there is this smart mobile phone that on which we rely now, right? Then we have a notepad on one side. People keeps on note down their things in the notepad in order to memorize things. And now we have a they use tablet, right? On that, on in your mobile phone, in your tablet, in your iPad, whatever you have, there is a notepad. You can easily note down things over there. Then we have this older version of laptop or the older version of computer, and now we have this advanced version, right? Previously you have this type of camera, and now we have this. Previously you used the pen for writing the things on notepad, now we have the computer pen, right? Or whatever the pen, the device that you are using, we have of that type. So these things are the advanced versions of our previous things, and this is one description of how things have changed over the past, over these years, right? Now what I want you is that you are supposed to ask your parent. If your grandparents live with you, it's really good, you can ask your grandmother, your grandfather, or if not, you can ask your parents that is there anything, like you see they have, because they have lived those past times, and they have gone through all of these things, all of these technologies, right? So you are supposed to ask them that do they like this time with a lot of technologies, with a lot of advancements, or do they like that past time, right? And beside that, you are supposed to ask your grandparents, one of your grandparents, to explain that what is the most memorable time or most memorable day of their life, right? And then you're supposed to note down that in the form of story on your notebook, and then when you're in the next class, inshallah, you are supposed to share that story with me, right? So we will listen to everyone grandparent stories, their memorable day, and then we will see that how things have changed through in the from the past till present, right? Okay, now before ending the class, I want you to summarize today's lecture in 3 points. What are the points that we have covered, or what you have learned in today's class? Yes, we have learned about the past time, how things have changed. We have made discussions on radios and televisions, okay, and the advancements. Very well done. Okay, class, that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.